Cooling your engine is important for power, performance, and longevity. But building your own cooling system can be an absolute nightmare. That's exactly where the 123 series complete radiator systems from PROFORM can help cool things off. The 123 series radiator is a complete cooling system right out of the box. The kit includes the radiator, shroud or bracket, fans, and a thermostat controller for everything you need to keep cool on the road. The system has a patented 4-corner design, an all-aluminum build, welded tanks, and are all leak tested. It is a dual-tube single-pass radiator and has an optimized louver design for maximum cooling. It also has a billet aluminum cap and filler neck with a high-capacity overflow tube. PROFORM has designed the 123 radiator system to last and keep you on track and keep your engine cool. While these kits come complete and ready to go, PROFORM also offers the 123 series and modular components. With this option, you can pick and choose what you want for your cooling system a la carte. Once you select your parts, you just connect them together with pre-drilled holes and install your system. If you're interested in the PROFORM 123 series complete radiator system, or you need help looking for installation, please check out the store locator in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for new product videos, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.